Okay, let's delete this rib out. Now what I want to do here is take this profile and flip it upside down. So I'm going to go to my sketch profile and I'm going to right click, auto search to grab the entire profile. And I'm going to use this feature here called symmetry. It's found in the sketch tab to the far right. It might look like a bell. If you look at this down arrow, there's several types. The default is mirror. We're going to use the symmetry one. Under symmetry, I'm going to grab this. Don't grab the line on the profile. I'm going to grab this line, the edge of the part, and it did symmetry. And part of the reason I didn't fully constrain that is I was worried I wasn't going to be able to symmetry that. Now I might be more worried about fully constraining this. When I exit this, yeah, you can create the rib along this join. Select OK, but that thing is buried into the part. Okay, so you see this rib? It's going to be buried into the pad. It's not going to like that. So how could I pocket that out? Could I use a pocket feature? None of the pocket features allows me to do anything like a rib. All the pocket features go in a ruled direction like the pad. So pad and pockets only go in a ruled direction. Well, we learned the groove command. Remember, the groove removes material, so I'm going to put in a groove. But when I use groove, the only option you have is an axis to rotate it out. So both of these want an axis to rotate, and I'm not going along an axis. This isn't a revolution type, so what can I do? How am I going to make this work? I'm going to delete this rib out and let you think it over. You can pause the video if you want to think it over, because I'm just going to go ahead and demo it. What we need to do is create a body. And in that body, I can create the rib. Select that profile. Select the join I have in hide. Select this join. Select OK. Now, it's buried in there, but it's a separate body, so it doesn't give me that error message. And you guys got to make a note of what the error message is and why you got the error message. Dang it. Okay, so you guys are going to, again, get the error message and write down your error message. Now, I didn't get an error this time because I put that body in the rib here. Okay, so the trick here is, with that rib being active, somehow I got to remove that from this, and you'll see it in my next video.